Hi, I'm Ed Nasjleti. I work for SRAM at the Chicago headquarters. I'm here to talk about the Electra Townie with the SRAM iMotion 3 system on it. You know, you can have a great time on this bike, but every now and then you can get a flat tire. This system allows you to take the wheel off easily and quickly. It's connected to the bicycle with a brake and a cable and housing. Let's take the brake side off first. So the brake's disconnected. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect the cable and housing from the 3-speed hub, which is really easy to do. Now I'm going to take the 15mm nuts and unscrew those from the bike. And I'll give it a little tap, and the wheel comes right out of the bicycle. Now it's going to be easy to take the tire off. Once you get the tire changed, you're going to put the wheel back into the dropouts. You're going to make sure the wheel is even on both sides of the chainstays, and you're going to retighten the axle nuts. One trick here is to tighten up one side a little bit, go to the other side, tighten the other side, then go back to the first side and make sure it's properly tightened on the bicycle. And I'm going to reattach the brake arm to the bike. After you connect the brake arm, you're going to come around to this side of the bike and you're going to connect the cable end to the shifting activator, and you're going to take the housing stop and put it on the connecting arm here on the hub. You don't have to do any more adjusting on this system. This bike is ready to ride. Have a great time, and thank you very much.